Hello friends, I am Ramandeep Singh from Knowledge Store. Today I will show you how we can install a hard disk in a PC. I have already installed it in a PC, but now I want to remove this from this PC and install it in another one. So let's see how we can do this. First I will remove the two screws here, and now I have to unplug this hard disk. There is a SATA cable attached to it, and now I will unplug this. This cable is attached to the motherboard, and now I will remove this and just remove this hard disk and install it in another PC. This is the hard disk, and look at this serial number. It starts from A32. We will recognize this serial number when we will go to boot settings in our PC. This plug is yet to be removed. I will remove this plug, and now I am having my second PC, and I will just install in this my second PC. I have already connected this one end to this hard disk, and the other end is to be connected to the motherboard. So just connect this. This is the SATA cable. I will connect this one end to this hard disk, and the second end I will connect to the connector that I am already having. This connector is already connected to the power supply, so I will just fit in this SATA cable to this connector. Now I have fit in this hard disk in this PC. Now let's go to the boot settings. Now I will go to boot settings in my PC. In my case it is F10 key I will press after switching on my PC. In your case it can be escape key, del key, that you need to check. It depends on your PC's make. So after scrolling down I will go to boot device priority mode. I will press enter after that, and here I need to check. I have already installed Windows in this. So the Windows is installed in this hard disk starting from WD32. I will just keep that settings, and I will make sure that the new hard disk that is starting from A32, and I shouldn't select this. Now I will go to hard disk drives mode, and in this the first hard disk that is selected, the Windows will load from that. And in my case the first hard disk is selected is WD32. The Windows is already loaded in that and is running very well. And the new hard disk that I have installed just now starts from A32. It is on third priority mode. So everything is okay. I will continue running Windows now. So now the Windows is operating as usual, and the hard disk that I have added just now has been made as secondary. Now right click on my computer, and I will go to disk management, and in this the disk 0 is the new hard disk that I have installed just now, and I have already made all the partitions here. But if you are installing a new hard disk, then you need to right click on that disk and click on make partitions, and then you can install partitions in MBs. So thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.